Good morning, guys. Hi, happy new year. Yes, the new year is still fresh. It's still fresh, so we are still saying happy new year. And yeah, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking on our video, and we really appreciate the returning subscribers, the new subscribers. If you just bumped into this channel, my name is Aurelia, and this Aurelia's Kitchen is our channel. We do cooking, food, lifestyle, and family vlogs. Content, not vlogs, content. So today I want to show you guys a routine. I don't know if it's going to be a morning routine, a whole day routine, an evening routine, but just a routine. When we are in the village, side of the coastal Kenya, and that's the outfit. I've just woken up, so I want to show you what the first thing we do. So I'm really not a early riser, so my mom's already made tea. There is my mom. She already made tea, and yeah, I just want to serve it up and make the other meals. So definitely the first thing I usually do is prepare something for baby to eat since she's awake. And yeah, let's do this. Watch the video until the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel kindly. If you like it here, kindly subscribe. Consider subscribing, leaving a like, and sharing the video.
Life's been better since you're in it, so it kills me when you don't feel enough. Your heart's the purest I've ever seen, so it kills me when your days are rough.
So this side of coast, or this side of the village, has so many fruits, and it's also that my dad has planted a lot of fruits. So here we're having pawpaw. I just want to make a fruit salad, so we have pawpaw here. We have another one here. I don't know if it's ripe. This one doesn't seem to be very ripe, so I'll just use that one. And we have some pineapple here. This is also fresh from the farm. Yeah, my dad has a whole farm where he farms different things. So this is a fresh pineapple from the farm. Then also fresh bananas. This is meals from yesternight. They are a lot. We have a lot of meals here. This is more banana, boiled banana. We have a fridge, but it's quite small, so that's why we are trying to store it as natural as possible. So these are meals from yesternight. Yeah, so I'm boiling some water here for baby to shower, because we have plans of going to church. So let's prepare our salad. So we have this lime tree over here, and I want to pick a lime or two. This one is spoiled. So our fruit salad is ready. It's ready. quickly. No washing machine here. So as I bathe my baby. After cleaning my room, baby was sleepy, so I put her to sleep. Here she is. She's sleeping. So let me hurry and get some things done before she wakes up. Because when she wakes up, she'll need my attention. So let me go and do something else. So let's go.
Life's been better since you're in it, so it kills me when you don't feel enough. Your heart's the purest I've ever seen, so it kills me when your days are rough. Cause to me you are the light that makes the darkness disappear. Every demon I will fight while I keep you close to me. When it gets dark at night, you'll find me by your side. When tears fall from your eyes, I'll try to make you smile. Cause our life's been better since you're in it, so it kills me when you don't feel enough.
This is some Christmas cake that we had. Woo! Oh God. So it's been surviving to today. So I want to pick some mangoes. So it's mango season here, so I just want to pick some mangoes. There are some that have already been picked up, but I just want more because me love mangoes. I love mangoes so much. So what the hell? I just saw something. I don't know what it was, but it looks scary. Hope it's not a snake. So, yo, I'm scared. Anyway, so you can see the mangoes are falling off the tree. But these ones are spoiled. Oh man, I can't even believe it. all these are spoiled. So these are the mango trees. Yeah, there's that one, there's that one, all those mangoes. So let's pick mangoes. I'm scared, yo. So here is a mango tree, but most of them are spoiled. So let's start with this side. Yo, so I told you guys my dad has pineapples, like a farm of pineapples. So here are the pineapples. Don't know if you can see them. So they're not so many this time around, but yeah. So there were so many like up to that side, but I think they were harvested or something. So these are the only ones remaining, this area. You can see all these are mangoes that are rotten or spoiled. But I will get a few like this one and this one. So these are fresh, like they've fallen just like today or overnight. I don't want to miss them. So this is what I've managed to get. There's this type of mango. This one is still raw. And this one. And this one's now. This one looks bad. And I told you guys we also have some lime, a lime tree. So I'm just going to grab a few. So the limes are way more than this, but I can't take them because, as you know, lime tree has thorns. They have tiny little thorns that are so painful, and I have been pricked. I have been pricked a few times, so not for me. Not for me, please. Not for me. Oh, no. I've had enough. So I keep on hearing as if my baby is crying, but she's not. Let me show you something else that we have. Do you know pickle or mbirimbi? We have all this. All this. We've picked them up from the tree. Let me go and show you. This is about 25 kilograms. Is it 15 or 10? I don't know. This bag, how much is this bag? You can't see where it's written. But like a whole bag of mbirimbi. So we use this to make pickles or put them in stews or something of the sort. So let's go and show you. Yo, there's some things walking in this grass that I'm afraid of, so I don't think I'll go. But that's the tree. That's the Mirimbi trees. If you can move closer, you'll see some of the fruits. So it usually produces a lot of fruits. I really wish I could go there closer, but no, guys. I'm afraid of this grass because I've seen some things walking and I'm not up for it.
Since you're in it, so it kills me when you don't feel enough. Your heart's the purest I've ever seen, so it kills me when your days are rough. Life's been better since you're in it, so it kills me when you don't feel enough. Your heart's the purest I've ever seen, so it kills me when your days are rough.
So since the baby is almost waking up, I want to prepare her meal so that when she wakes up, immediately she eats. Because she slept without taking breakfast. She only just breastfed. So this is some mashed bananas, some meat stew, and a piece of meat which I'll shred for her here, and some greens. So I'm just warming this up and just getting it ready because I know by now she's almost waking up. Guys, the coast is too hot. Like, it's extremely hot. You can see me, I'm sweating, I'm dripping in sweat. So we need to hydrate.
Your heart's the purest I've ever seen, so it kills me when your days are rough. Life's been better since you're in it. Life's been better since you're in it.
Baby. So since the coast is so hot, my baby has been staying diaper free about 90% of the time. Even at night, she sleeps diaper free. So she just messed up. So I was in the process of cleaning up. I had just served, and then I just realized she did a mess. I was in the process of cleaning up, and now I'm eating. This is when I'm eating my lunch. This is my lunch. Doesn't look very side appetizing, but it's really good. This is some udokoi, some tripe, and goat stew. Hi. Yummy. This is a baby who just showered 1 minute ago, and now she's having mango everywhere. Take mango, mommy. So it's evening, guys, and I was just asleep. I was quite tired, and also soothing my baby to sleep also made me sleep. So I got my afternoon nap, and unfortunately we are leaving. We are leaving the village. I'm still collecting mangoes. So it's about 5 p.m. and we are off to go home. So probably take the journey with us, or I don't know. I'll try record as much as I can. But yeah, that's basically the routine. So yeah, that's basically the routine, guys. If you're watching and you've reached up to this point, thank you so much. And let's keep on. Let's keep on. Let's keep on. If I don't add anything else to this video, thank you so much for watching. If we are doing something else, let's keep on. So we are parking.
Ezra yu wapi aonje kungu? Alikula?